So I think hiring for us actually has two different meanings, and I would say for any franchise-based business, hiring has two different meanings. One is hiring or recruiting the right kind of franchisees in the system, and then the
Right.
second is when the franchisees go ahead and recruit their staff. So I think when you talk about, and obviously the second part is dependent on the first. The more you hire franchisees, the more you bring franchisees into the system, the more would be requirement of, in our case especially, the more would be requirement of blue collared manpower. So I think let's accept the fact that while we have been lucky, Abhishek has been lucky, Amit has been lucky that a lot of our team members have agreed to say 50%, 60% salary cuts. But then there are a lot of other organizations out there, and without naming them, that had large number of people on their payrolls, and a lot of them in the travel space, in the hotel space, in the fintech space, in the IT space also, that are laying down literally thousands on a daily basis. And this bloodbath is going to
Correct.
continue, because even
Yeah.
after your lockdown is removed, at least for some time, the market will take time to pick up. People will be fearful. People will think about their purchase decisions, their consumption decisions a lot in the next 3-4 months. So this bloodbath in terms of loss of jobs is going to continue. And so there is all of a sudden there is an absolute uncertainty about jobs. People who are very comfortable working all of a sudden are not very sure what is going to happen tomorrow. So what this is going to create is, this is going to create a new breed of entrepreneurs who would now want to be their own bosses. So they would not want to depend upon a certain job because they don't know what the job holds tomorrow. They would believe that as long as I'm able to able to start up something or take a franchisee of something, I would, as long as I'm willing to put the effort, I should be able to do well. So overall, I see franchisee industry, again limited to certain sectors, would grow a lot. So I don't foresee the restaurant industry growing a lot. I don't foresee salon franchising or a spa franchising grow a lot, because people would want to avoid intimate physical contact. But
Right.
whether you talk about cleaning franchisee, you talk about online education franchisee, or you talk about franchisees which are predominantly business from home in model, these would see a very sharp growth, because a lot of these uh, people who have been terminated from their jobs, they would obviously not be able to come up with a startup idea all of a sudden, at least not a majority of them. So they would look at franchising as the next best route to entrepreneurship. So certain segment based entrepreneurship should flourish, and then the moment these entrepreneurs start coming on board, they would need to start recruiting people. So whether it is a laundry brand, whether it is a pest control and pest management brand, whether it is your online education brand, all of them would have
Right.
different kind of manpower requirement. If I talk about Uclean in particular, I think because our bar is not very high in terms of the kind of people that we want to hire, and we basically, most of the people that we hire, we have to end up investing time and resources on training them, because it is not possible to keep finding a washerman or to keep finding an iron man every now and then. So anyway, we have been hiring people from the roots who are generally not attuned to this kind of a job. So they are, anyway, we have to invest in retraining them on the kind of business that we are doing. So I don't foresee a huge challenge coming in front of us. In fact, the number of people, especially the number of blue collared people that would want a job going forward, is also going to increase drastically. Our majority of
Right.
hiring anyway has happened in the past from Bihar, UP, Odisha, and Northeast India. And a lot of these people, they had to go back to their hometowns because of the COVID-19 situation. Obviously, they are not making their money. So they would also want to come back to the cities the moment this lockdown situation opens up. And all of a sudden, you will have a deluge of people that are hardworking, that really want to work, that really want to earn money. And all you need to do is train them on the Uclean standards, train on them on how laundry industry works. So I think the only
Makes
thing
sense.
that we would have to be more careful about is ensuring that the SOPs that we are developing, and we are calling ourselves Uclean version 2.0 after whatever happens after COVID. So ensuring that all the team that is getting hired, or all the team members that are already in the system, should very religiously follow the SOPs that Uclean version 2.0 lays out,